This is the challenge level. In the challenge level, they gave me a whole line right here in which I have to destroy the blocks, I have to place a cobblestone if needed. If there were a lava, I need to place the cobblestone. So there's the if function. They already gave me a code right here, so I just run it first. And I need to watch what will happen. There you go, it's placed. Now what? It's not moving, which means that my code is missing the move forward. Let's check it out. I can show the code and see how does the code look like in JavaScript language. In the next challenge, we have to also mine, and we need to also place a cobblestone whenever there is lava. But this is going to be repeated over here and over here and over here. First, I need to move forward twice. So this is 2 move forwards. And then when I reach over here, I need to destroy. And if I found that there is lava under it, I need to place cobblestone. So let's see what will happen. What is missing is that I need to move forward once, and then I need to turn to that direction, which is the left direction. So all this code will have to be repeated over here and over here as well. In this level, we're also using a pattern. This is the same size as this one, which means I only need to program this guy. So first what I need to do is to place, before I move, I'm placing and then I'm moving forward a step, and I'm going to repeat this how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times apparently, or maybe 6. Because they already gave me the pattern, so I can give it a try with the 6. Let's run. Oh, there's a problem. So I need to turn him to the right side before I start. Now that I reached here, I also need to turn right and repeat the same pattern. So it's the same concept. So I put repeat 2 times. In the last level, it's an open place. Now mine, build and create however you want.